Hi, I am working on this week's meal prep and thought you would really love this vanilla shake slash smoothie. I'm going to make a vanilla shake that can also be a smoothie. It's for my breakfast. It's delicious. So I'm making it for 2 people. I'm going to start with 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds are very high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help with inflammation as well as many, many other things. They are so good for you. If there's any way you can get your omega-3s in every day, that is fabulous. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of almond butter. It could be any nut or seed butter you want, just for a little extra flavor. And then I'm going to add in 1 scoop of protein powder. And then I'm going to add in 2 cups of shredded cauliflower. Now what I like to do is I will put the cauliflower in a food processor with the grater blade and just grate it to make cauliflower rice, and then I store it in the freezer. That breaks the cell walls to make it a little bit softer, so it's more like a cooked cauliflower. And then I can use it in whatever dishes I want to add cauliflower to. Okay, just need to break it up a little bit. So cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is wonderful for DNA repair, helping with liver detoxification. So this is a wonderful smoothie to have during one of my cleanses, the liver reset, any of those. Very high in minerals. I'm going to add about 2 cups of cauliflower rice. I'm going to add in 1 banana. You could do 2/3 of a banana if you're watching your blood sugar, but that's hard to measure. I could store the other third, but it doesn't bother me. And then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to fill the blender up with some spring mix greens here. You could use any greens you like. I prefer something that's a little bit on the milder side, like spinach, spring mix, even a bok choy. Now I'm just going to blend it until it's smooth. And I'm doing my meal prep, so I'm just going to pour it into mason jars. Nice and creamy. Look how creamy that is. Very thick. Wonderful for a shake. Wow, that is so thick and creamy. All right, there you go. You can see how delicious and creamy, nice and thick, and super healthy. You can see I already put my labels on there. All right, here we go. It is delicious. You can top it with nuts and seeds or berries, whatever you like. If you make this recipe, comment and let me know. Like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. I'd love to hear from you. Enjoy!